everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. You guys are all welcome. So how are you doing today? So first, I'm just going to go ahead to section the hair into two different portions, the back section and the front section. Then we go ahead to do the French cornrow on the two different portions. So I'm going to be cornrolling the both of them to meet at a particular point. That's the middle of the head. If you don't know how to do the French cornrow or the two hands cornrow, I have a detailed tutorial on that. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box below so that you can easily go and check it out. But I also like to know what you guys call it in your country. Do you call it French cornrow or two hands? Sometimes here in Nigeria we call it patewo, we call it what other name do we call it? You guys just leave what you call it in your country. Leave it in the comment section below. For the tip of the hair, I'm just going to go ahead to secure it using needle and thread to do so. After that, the next thing is just to protect her hair from the glue I'm about to apply on her hair. So I'm going to be using stocking scarf, preferable like black stocking scarf. When you use other colors of the stocking scarf, you tend to work so hard, like you tend to try to close any visibility of the stocking scarf. Hope you get what I mean. So usually what I do is to secure the stocking scarf. That's when my client do not want it to become a wig afterwards. But for this case, she still wants it to be a wig. So she wants in a situation whereby after wearing it and feeling all good with it, she can actually pull it off, wash her hair and still go ahead to wear it. You guys know what a wig is. So yeah, so we're not going to be securing it with needle and thread. That's the stocking scarf. We're not going to be securing it onto her own natural hair. So we're just going to be placing the stocking scarf on her head like so, and then using bonding glue to just attach or secure the two stocking scarf. And for this, I'm going to be using two different stocking scarf. So like I said before, for this I'm going to be using two different stocking scarf, and to secure the two stocking scarf together, I'm going to be using this Got To Be spray gel. So wearing her the stocking scarf will make sure that the stocking scarf is covering all parts of her head, including the parameters of her hair. And then after that, we start placing the weft or the weaves on her hair. Alright, this is the glue I'm going to be using. You can actually use any bonding glue of your choice, and I am just going to go ahead to spray a gel like around. So I'm going to be using spray gel for this particular hairstyle. So this is based on using a spray gel is actually by choice. Some people like to use spray gel and some don't. Some feel like when you use spray gel it doesn't stick well, and why some feel like when you don't use spray gel it stick well. You guys, what works for you? Because I've seen hairstylists that say, oh, they like to use spray gel, and then hairstylists that say no, they don't like to use spray gel. So let me know in the comment section what you use or what you do, or if you do anything different from what I am doing right now. Let's know in the comment section. You can just educate us. We are all here to learn. Then placing the weaves can either make or break the outcome of the hairstyle. Before then, we open up the wefts because this particular hair we are using is more like human hair. It's double weft, so we decided to open it up so that the hair can lay very flat, especially at the back. And for this video, I'm just going to use 1.5 pack of the Miss Roller. So for the hair I'm using Miss Roller hair or Miss Roller weave-on. So if you can't find this, you can use human hair. Just make sure that you're using human hair so that when you try to trim and also style it, coil it, it will give you a good result. So if you cannot find Miss Roller, use a quality human hair. I'm just showing you how to identify the front and the back of the weave-on, and this is not the first time I'm doing this. To identify the front and the back part of the weave-on is just to check very carefully where the coils is actually facing. Where the coils is facing is the inside and the other part is the outside, so you have to apply the glue to the inside part of the weave-on. Advise that applying the glue to the weft should be very little so that you can get a neat result. And for placing, I like to start from the very back of her hair and then work my way to the front. In a pack of Afrobeat, you get like 4 bundles. So I used, like I told you guys, I used 1.5. So meaning that I used about 4 plus 2 from the other pack, which is like 6 bundles on her hair. And then little pieces of a color 27 weft, just to give it or make the look or make the hair pop. So alright, while placing the weft, I'm giving little or no space between them. This is so that when I trim, I won't be seeing any space between the hairs. So yeah, that's how I'm actually placing the hair. I'm going to be doing that to all the hair or all the head. So at this point, I'm going to allow you to just watch to see the placing and also to see the way I am actually making the hair. So yeah, just enjoy, sit down, relax and enjoy. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section below. This video is a detailed video or a detailed tutorial on how to actually make a skull cap or pixie cut hairstyle. So we'd like to know what you guys think about this hairstyle, and also you can leave it in the comment section what you think about the hairstyle, if it's something you're going to try. And I also advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step because it's so detailed. Subscribe if you haven't. Share the videos on your social media pages, like your Instagram, your Facebook, TikTok, like any of your social media pages, Twitter, just Pinterest. So share it, guys, and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, now that I'm getting very close to the closing, I'm just going to start doing the round closing method. The trick to this round closing method is just not to be leaving any space in between while placing, in between any of the wefts while placing. Make sure you're placing them very close to each other and also adding pressure as you go. Adding pressure is so that it can stick better. We'll just continue placing round and round and also adding pressure as I am placing until there are no more space for me to, cover up, or no more place for me to add up wefts. And yeah, if you notice, I'm placing or I'm closing the hair in the middle and not by the side. This is because of the type of style or because of the style my client is actually going for. If you notice other videos I've been doing or other videos I've been filming, you'll notice that I've been closing the hair or doing the closing on the side of the head. But in this case, because of this particular hairstyle we're closing it in the middle. Hope you get what I mean. Once I'm done placing the wefts round and round until the closing part, or I'm done closing the hair, I'm just going to go ahead to use my hand dryer to just straighten the hair a little bit. This is for it to be so flat for me to be able to trim.
How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Talking crazy, I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't want to leave, I wouldn't want to.
And then after that, we just start trimming the hair little by little. And I'm going to start from the very back of her head to start trimming and gradually work my way to the front part of her head. So at this point, I'm going to allow you to watch the whole process of the hair or the whole styling process. And yeah.
listen. My body is your body, baby. Nobody's invited but your baby. You know it's slow now. Tell me what you want. Baby, put your phone down. You should turn it off. 'Cause tonight is going down. Tell your boys it's going down. We in the zone now. Don't stop. Keep your hands on me. Just be right there. Rock my body. I can't keep my hands on you. Your body is my party. I'm doing this little dance for you. You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I'm not gonna fight it. I want it all the time. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I can't deny it. I'm on you. I'm on you. You can't lie. I won't lie. It's amazing. My faces go places. You're taking me. Baby, take your time. Oh, there's no need to rush. You can go another round if that's what you want. Tonight is going down. Yeah, you know it's going down. We in the zone now. Don't stop. Keep your hands on me. Just be right there. Rock my body. I can't keep my hands on you. Your body is my party. I'm doing this little dance for you. You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I'm not gonna fight.
Alright, here's the final look. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you're able to learn one or two from this video. Like I said before, do not forget to share this video to your friends, your social media handles, all your pages, all your social media pages, like your TikTok, your Facebook, your all your social media pages. You guys support the ministry. Share the video, give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. If you are new here, subscribe. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started.
You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, every time I look to you. I'm your girl.